Namaste, ladies and gentlemen. This is Yash, your luxury real estate advisor of Mumbai. Today I am touring a 3 BHK, 1000 square feet of luxury, spacious, and a top graded A1 developer listed project in Chembur. So let's me show you a 3-bed residence of a Mumbai's Chembur location. So this is a, as I told you, 3-bed residence of 1000 square feet. But let me tell you about the project. This developer is a listed developer, over 50 years of legacy in the real estate industry, delivered over delivered over hundreds of projects in India. And also this is a project where you will get only 3-bed residence, no 1 BHK, no 2 BHK, only 3-bed residence. Also you will get 3 apartments per floor, only 3 apartments with 2 lifts, only 2 lifts and 3 apartments. Also, let me tell you, this is a 3 BHK. As I told you, look at the space, look at the spacious apartment. You can see this 3-bedroom having a 2-bedroom with master bedroom. Let me show you one by one. First, let me tell you about the living room. See the massive living room. You can see. Let me tell you this, that this project has the early possession and under construction both options. In Chembur, you will get a very low options where you will get a early possession options. But over here in Chembur, this project is giving you early possession options also. Let me, as you already toured this living room, my videographer editor will also show you in the cinematic way how the living room is looking like. But I will also show you first the first bedroom. Come, this is the bedroom which we have. You can keep it for your children's or for the guest. You can allocate it according to your convenience. Okay, so come with me. From start I will show you. As you enter from the door, first you will get to see a kitchen, a favorite place for our mom, wife and sisters. A favorite place. You can see a 2-side countertop kitchen. Okay, and let me show you now. As I already show you the first bedroom, now I am going to show you the second master bedroom. Come with me. This is the master bedroom. You can keep it for you or your children's. It's upon you. Last we show you, this is the extra dry and wet area. There is a shower area and this is the dry area which already given outside the bedroom, master bedroom. And this is also master bedroom with a spacious dry and wet area. I love the dry and wet area. I can see, and this is the design like an elegant, sophisticated and luxurious way. You can design it and take the inspiration from this flat, and you can design your flat according to this. Okay, so it was really nice to talk to you guys and showing you this apartment. This is the most trusted developers project which I am showing you right now. If you are interested to buy ultra luxury or luxury properties in Mumbai, Pune, Dubai, Nasik, I am your luxury real estate advisor, a certified luxury advisor to help you in your whole real estate buying journey. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day. Thank you so much.